G'day guys, Ivan here from Peak Offroad. Welcome to another showroom tour. We try and do a couple of these per year, and we've got a couple of new tents and also a couple of new displays here. So what we got as you come in and say hello to Ivan and whoever else is here, we've got old Angry over here. It's not so angry. I pulled it out of the back if you had a little last showroom tour. We've got the canopy camper as per normal. With this canopy camper, I promised you I'd show you the internal build, but it's Artie's fault. Say hello, Artie.
G'day.
Artie's fault hasn't edited it all up. He's been busy as. The Hilux is nearly done. I've just got to do some little interiors, so I'll give you a little sneak peek in here. And some shelving, toilet and whatnot. So what it is now, we've got the Troopy and also the Bush Company Black Series Max. So as per normal, front and centre here is the Camp King tent. It's an Australian tent, Australian canvas, built up in the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. So when you come in, you get to jump into this and have a look at it. Great tent. To my right, we have the cheapest Troopy in Australia. 25 grand and 16 grand on top gets you this and ready to go around Australia again. So this was a real steal and a bargain, and we've already taken it out on its first trip, that and the canopy camper, and done well. To my left here, we've got the Bush Company Alpha. Again, stocks are coming back now. It's actually getting a little bit better as COVID and COVID's going down in some places and production's ramping back up again. And we're starting to get a little bit more stock, or more consistently stock. For everyone around, stock is a big issue. The new tent we have here, is the Black Series Max. Now this is an old tent, but it's pretty new to Australia. It gives the ventilation that the old Bundutech has. When you put on your truck or on your car or trailer, the disadvantage of the clamshell side tents is you don't get that airflow from one side. Here, that sorts that issue out. But again, it's a lot heavier tent, and like everything, there's always compromises. Behind me is the Black Series original tent. Now this one's going to get go by the wayside, and the new Delta is coming hopefully early next year. So we'll be having this one replaced with a new Delta, and there'll be a whole new lineup for Black Series Bush Company tents. Behind me we have the Bundutech King, and to the right of me we have the Bundutech Standard. Now these tents have been around for a while. There's plenty of reviews online on them. You can jump in and out of every tent that's here. So, like normal, like last one, this hasn't changed, was just put in the corner. We used to have old Angry in the corner. The last trip I'd done was the Simpson over a year ago, and we actually dragged it out for the first time and getting serviced, and maybe we'll do a trip on that one too. I'll go just a little bit forward here, and we have here the two Alu-Cab tents that are displayed. As you can see, pretty straightforward tent. You can jump in and out, it's pretty easy. We can open and close all these tents. Also on this end here we have, I don't know if the glare's going to be too much, but you can actually see what size the internals are of the Hercules roof conversion by Alu-Cab. Now we had one of these many years ago, not many years ago, about a year and a half ago before COVID, and I promised I was going to get another one, and here it is here. Again, for guys who want to have a Troopy, and really it's a big decision to cut a roof off a new Troopy. You want to make sure that it's 100%. There's no like 98% as I can't really stick the roof back on once we've cut it off. So again, we're here at Wetherill Park in Sydney. I hope you enjoyed the tour. It gives you an insight of what is here and the selection of tents, and here there really is no wrong decision. These are all premium tents, and the prices do reflect that as well. what it does give you is the confidence of opening and closing it and speaking to either myself or someone else here of what tent is right for you and what application and vehicle, what all kind of suits and goes from there. So when you have a chance, give us a call, comment at the bottom, say if it's any good, if I'm getting better or worse. Am I getting better, Artie?
Oh yeah?
Well, yeah, it's like a 50-50. And we'll see you out there and enjoy the tracks. We'll see you soon. Hooroo.